look at the windshield, man. I really need to wash this thing. You can literally see the hand marks, my fingerprints, from standing back here. Look how dusty this thing is. I'll clean it soon, I promise. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see from the thumbnail of this video, it's going to be another point of view drive video. A lot of people love these videos, so I'm going to keep on doing them. Before we jump on into the point of view drive, I'm going to get into something that I've been talking about for a while now. So I've been wanting to get a Corsa Extreme cat bag to pair with my stainless power long tube headers, and I'm still in the process of doing that. I found a buyer for my Ford Performance by Boiler cat bag that I have on right now, but I need to find a pair of Corsa Extreme cat bag before I sell this, because I don't want to have this without another cat bag to put on. You know what I mean? So I actually have talked to a few people on Facebook Marketplace and on just other websites and stuff about people selling their Corsa Extremes, but they're being really difficult about it, and I had people try to scam me. I've had people leave me on red. And not many people are trying to sell these here in Florida, so I'm trying to see if people maybe ship them or whatever, but it is really hard to find. So if anyone watching this video right now knows anyone that has Corsa Extremes for sale for a 2018 Mustang GT, let me know in the comments and I will definitely respond. Because once I find the Corsa Extreme cat bag to put on this thing, we will do it right away, because I already have a buyer for my Ford Performance by Boiler cat bag. Alright, we are at 1,200 subscribers, and I know a bunch of you guys are brand new, so this is my Ford Performance by Boiler cat bag paired with my stainless power on a 2018 Mustang GT. If we can hit 2,000 subscribers within the next 2 months, we're at 1,200 right now. If we hit 2,000 in the next 2 months, I will buy a supercharger for the Mustang. So everyone watching right now, I know this video is going to get more than 800 views, I hope. And if everyone watching the video subscribe, I will buy a supercharger for this Mustang. I know you guys can do it. You are well able to do it. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos on the upcoming, probably maybe another one this week and definitely a few next week. All right, enough talking. Let's get into the video. This is a warm start. I drove it earlier, so this is what a warm start sounds like. All right, everybody, got the windows down. Y'all know the drill. I'm trying out a new camera setup for the point of view drive. So if it looks different, that's why. And yeah. Degrees outside, yo. This is crazy. This car is literally gonna overheat. But I do not care. Horrible too. Downshifts. I really hope you guys can hear on this new camera setup. I gotta have the AC on when I'm stopped because I will die of heat. call me when I'm making a video. How rude. How rude. You already know I gotta put the windows up, AC on when I'm stopped. Mandatory, man. It is so hot that I literally, it like hurts to touch the steering wheel and the paddle shifters because they're metal. I might just keep the windows up. AC on. Feels nice. Man, those downshifts are so nice. I love downshifting on this thing. It sounds so good. I wish I knew how to drive manual good so I could have a manual and do it, but man, there's so many mixed opinions about having an automatic GT and a manual GT. I know plenty of people who have the manuals and they love it, but it's a pain in city, but some of them don't really care. But an automatic, it's proven, it's faster. Haters, go ahead and comment whatever you want in the comments, but it is a fact. The automatic is faster. But yeah, man, I love having the manual though. 10-speed automatic. I mean, I still get the shift with these hot paddle shifters right here, and I bought these aftermarket. They're metal, really nice. Got a nice little GT right there. There's so many GTs down here in Venice, Florida. It's great. Make sure you guys be watching those ads all the way through. Maybe click them, help your boy out, you know, make some money on this channel. The more money I make on this channel, everything's going straight to this car. So all the money that I make from this channel, I'm putting right back into this car. So make sure you watch those ads, click them maybe, you know, because that helps me out. Tune is so good. Damn, look at that jet right there. We're about to pass a nice little private airport. Man, the life must be so nice having a little jet right there. You're in a little jet. And a little jet though. What am I saying? That's a big jet. God dang! But until then, we could do this. Almost hit me. What are you doing? Alright, let's get you guys a little rev before we end this video. Yeah, there's a plane right there. And one little tiny hit before we end it. Great way to end the video. Golly. Alright, man. Y'all know the drill. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to leave a like, comment on the video, tell me what you think. I reply to every single comment. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Damn, this dude almost hit me. Damn. Peace.